What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Baker's DIY Lifestyle. So we are out here today on another job, and we are going to be trimming up these bushes, laying some mulch around the front of her house. We're going to be pressure washing the siding up there, and also that bush in the corner. We're going to go ahead and just trim that up a little bit for her as well. But this will be another one kind of like that shed that we did out in the middle of the field, where we got to actually draw us a line here for our mulch bed in order to get like a nice cut through area right here for the mulch. Just clean it up real good. And then on this side of the porch, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to spray some Roundup, kill all of that grass, lay our plastic down, and then throw some mulch on that. So this should be a pretty quick, nice little easy job to do. I am going to have to watch out for this because apparently these vines are called Virginia Creeper and they're full of thorns, so that's going to be fun. But other than that, we'll get started working. All right, guys, so that is it for today. We are packing everything up because we are going to be throwing mulch tomorrow. We've already got our trench dug right here, and we haven't done anything to the back part behind the bushes because we're going to come back, like say, spray that and put the weed barrier down whenever we come back to throw the mulch. So that shouldn't take very long at all. But we have a nice trench all the way across the ground up to that bush where it is basically the split of this duplex. So we're pretty happy with it. We knocked out all of that. Got the bushes trimmed, got it cleaned up. We hammered the side of the house right here with the pressure washer. Got it nice and clean so you can see there's no more black on that. And it's looking really, really sharp. So that's gonna be it for this part of the video, but the next time you see us, we'll be out here throwing mulch. All right, guys, so we are back for day number 2 at the little duplex. Today has been an extremely long day for us. We've had 3 trailer load fulls of mulch that we threw at 2 other places. I didn't record those just because all we did was throw mulch there. But here what we are finishing up is Michael is spraying the weeds right here that we have in the mulch bed. We're gonna be laying down some weed barrier fabric. And then once we get the fabric in place and staked down, we will go ahead and throw the mulch around the bush and along the front here. So hopefully this won't take super long. Say we are exhausted at this point. We've been out here for going on 9 hours now, I believe, and 90-degree weather. So we're ready to get done. All right guys, so that is a wrap out here. We got all the mulch thrown down, we got the fabric laid underneath it, got it all cleaned up and looking extremely nice. But with that, we're gonna get packed up and get out of here. And if you would like to see more of our content straight from the Hickory Handyman as we are doing these jobs, be sure to follow Instagram page because I post pictures a lot more frequently on the Instagram page for the Hickory Handyman since we're actually out there on the job. But with that, if you like this one, please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.